Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz C Class. First of all, we make sure Bluetooth is on there. And just watch out for the bottom. And then knock the thumb wheel till we get to the top menu. Across to telephone, click telephone. It's gone on to name there, ready for Bluetooth telephony. Just click down to the telephone. Then we want Bluetooth telephones, click that. Update, just highlight that again, searching for Bluetooth devices. It'll come up here at the bottom and appear on the screen in a second when it's found it. There you go, it's found it. So you've got update at the top. If I just knock the thumb wheel back towards me, Barry's iPhone, click on Barry's iPhone, it'll show up here now. Is the passcode 307704 the same? Yes it is, so pair there and then click yes there. Do you want your contacts and favourites to sync? I don't, but you will, so I won't allow it. But there you go, authorization successful. Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected.